Here are 5 tips on how to improve your handwriting. 1. Choose the right pen and paper. A comfortable pen will make writing easier and more enjoyable. Look for a pen that has a grip that feels good in your hand and that writes smoothly. You may also want to try different types of paper to see what works best for you. 2. Practice regularly. The more you write, the better your handwriting will become. Try to set aside some time each day to practice writing. You can start by writing simple words and phrases, and then gradually work your way up to more complex sentences. 4. Use proper penmanship techniques. There are a few basic penmanship techniques that can help you improve your handwriting. These include holding the pen correctly, using a smooth, even stroke, writing at a consistent speed, leaving adequate space between letters and words. 5. Be patient. It takes time and practice to improve your handwriting. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep practicing, and you will eventually see improvement.